If you love quick and beautiful desserts, then I've got just the thing for you. Grab yourself some of this puff pastry. Now I'm using Pepperidge Farms. You can find this in the freezer section in your grocery store. These are nice to have on hand. Like, keep a couple boxes in your freezer. Whether sweet or savory, literally just about anything you put inside of them is good. So today I'm going to show you how to make a gorgeous braided dessert using the puff pastry that's filled with cream cheese and raspberry jam. So let me show you how to make it. Super easy. So the puff pastry comes in sheets and it's folded in like thirds. All right, so I'm just lightly rolling the dough out, just a little. Transfer this to a piece of parchment paper like this. So I'm gonna make the cream cheese mixture. I have 4 ounces or half of a block of cream cheese that has been softened. To that, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. You could use granulated, just the powdered sugar just dissolves a little bit better into the cream cheese. All right, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, now I'm gonna put this cream cheese mixture right in the center. All right, now I'm just gonna spread this out, leaving a little bit of an edge at the top and bottom. All right, I'm using some red raspberry jam, but you can use your favorite, and I mean anything that you want you could use. Strawberry, blueberry, whatever. 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna spread this over top of my cream cheese. All right, so then I'm just gonna take a pizza cutter and I'm going to make slices on both sides of the mixture here. On the other side. Fold up the ends there a little bit, like so. And then we're literally just going to start to braid just like this. All right, so when you get down to the bottom, just kind of go back like that. All right, I'm whisking 1 egg, and I'm just gonna brush this egg right over top. This just gives it a nice, shiny finish. All right, then bake in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So is this not the easiest and most beautiful dessert ever? I just love anything with puff pastry. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut myself a slice though. Oh yeah. It doesn't get much better than buttery, flaky puff pastry filled with cream cheese and raspberry jam. Oh. All right, well that's it. And today I'm wrapping up my 12 Days of Christmas series. I put out a video every day from December 1st to December the 12th. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas. God bless, and I'll see you next time.